it's Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch, and we just got back from the Studio City Farmers Market. I wanted to show you the few things that we picked up today since I do have some produce on hand, but today we focused on getting just some really special things that are in season, a better price at the farmers market, if you can believe it, like this rhubarb. It's a good bunch of rhubarb that we got today for under $2. The same with these little local passion fruits. So I wanted to share with you, I know some of these things look weird to be packing in a lunchbox. We'll be definitely eating some of them for our dinners, but there are sometimes some stories that I tell my older daughter about a fruit or a veggie to kind of incentivize her eating it. So we had a conversation about passion fruits, which she may have eaten a long time ago, but not recently. And so we discussed, since she loves Hawaii, we discussed that this has like a little, it looks like a little rotten, shriveled up ball, and that inside there's like a jello-like kind of snotty, seedy goop inside, and that tastes like Hawaii. So we're gonna give it a go this week in the lunchbox and see what happens. So that's like a little bit of storytelling from mommy that might make the passion fruit go down. We also got these really adorable, super miniature little clementines, a few blood oranges, a really beautiful Oro Blanco grapefruit, fresh young asparagus, and I have a few different ways that I like to make it, but this week we're probably gonna chop in 1-inch pieces and saute with garlic and olive oil. We love broccoli stems, so we got some kohlrabi, which is like basically a big bloated ball like broccoli stem, and it's good for peeling and cutting and eating raw. We got some fresh Daikon radish that's super sweet. These turnips are super sweet, and they actually taste similar to a broccoli stem or a kohlrabi. They're sweet and crunchy and delicious. We could not go to the market without buying dried fruit. We love these dried apples. We went through half a bag while we were at the market, and the sugar-free dried mangoes are super popular. Cara oranges, and lastly, a bacon avocado. We're very excited for this special variety. So normally you get just Hass avocados in the market, but this is a bacon avocado, and it's one of my favorite varieties. We also love reed avocados in the summer, but this is a winter variety of avocado. So that's all, just a little show and tell from the Studio City Farmers Market. And if you like seeing the market haul or have any questions, please leave a comment. Thanks.